Waterloo Bridge, and as Jonathan put it, architectural mishmash over here. I find it jarring, the building with the classical pillars there. It's just going to stay traditional conservative. Nothing overly exciting about it, but nice old-fashioned look. And that green glass building to its immediate left is a total bore. Doesn't fit in at all. The two spires to the left of that's St. Paul.
That's St. Paul's. Yeah.
That's part of St. Paul's?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh. So, I might as well mention this now as long as I have the camera out. Somewhere along here is where Christopher Plumridge, now of Seattle, was picked up floating in a reed basket along the banks of the Thames here by a nun and taken to a nunnery convent, and then he, like Moses, was, you know, raised by foster families and so on, and that's why in Seattle I call him His Illustrious Sire, that distinguished English pedigree, which is also where Gully Jimson of Horse's Mouth was along this same river area, made famous by Alec Guinness, 1950s movie. Folks, directly from across from St. Paul's Cathedral on Easter Sunday, and tourists aplenty. Sir Jonathan Comerford leading the tourist. What's that building? Is that a new building under construction up there?
Yeah, what is huh. It's one of the many that are popping up now.
Show apartments open. You need to make your first million. Get a studio in there. Huh. Porky's Barbecue Homemade Burger, $5.95.